Alright, so here's how to fix display too zoomed in Windows 11. It's quite simple, so let's get started. First of all you're gonna do is simply go to the search bar and search for the settings like this and open the things up. And then from here on the left side, you need to select the system, and then from the middle, you will go to the display option. Now from here on the scale, you will probably see the scale is like 150, or you can simply see that it is being selected as 125. So 100% is recommended, but if your display is too zoomed, then you need to select the previous one. Like if you are selected as 150, then you need to select the 125, and if you have 125, you can select the 100%. So that's how you can simply zoom out or fix the display too zoomed in Windows 11. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you pretty next time.